Alright guys, so right now we're doing a little bit of coon hunting, and we just heard the dog strike, so I'll catch you back when we get to the tree.
He's treed up right now, so we turned him up a little holler, and he's already got one. Yeah,
there he is. Oh yeah, I think we got him. We're gonna go up to the tree and we'll catch you guys back here in a minute.
Catch you guys back.
Peace. Alright, we're walking in.
We're about 50 yards right now. Dad made it. He treed before. But we'll catch you guys back. I'm pretty sure there's a coon. Looks like a good hardwood tree. And catch you guys back. Peace.
My boy caught. Well, we're gonna shoot him out. Tell him, cop. Tell him, cop.
Get that plate.
Right there you go. What's up, guys? KV Outdoors. As you guys can see behind me, right over here, it is snowing here, and this is the day after we killed the coon. So this is going to wrap up the video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys back. Peace.